Today we have a very exciting unboxing from diamondkissXO. If you haven't watched my previous video, I will have the link in the description box below. But today we're going to be unboxing a mystery diamond painting. I'm very excited for it, so let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I highly recommend clicking that subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, so make sure you turn on that notification bell to get notified when a new video does come up. So here we have our box with a little sticker, diamondkissXO, with some lips. I still never found out if these lips are actually the owner's lips, but I'm curious. I need to ask her. Okay. And then inside of this box, we have our diamond painting. Ooh, I can already see some ABs. So we have a little note. Beverly, thanks again for featuring my canvas on your channel. Much appreciated, Jenny. And Jenny is the owner of diamondkissXO. Here is a little info sheet. We have a 1990s mystery paintings. That's what the question marks are for. The artist is diamondkissXO, so this is original artwork from them. It measures 61 centimeters by 37.9 centimeters, and it looks like, wow, 36,000 square diamonds. So this is a square diamond painting. You can put this, if you want to store your diamond painting like this, I will probably just store it in this bag, and then I'll just put this like over top on this bag. But that's how I'm going to store it. But I like that little sticker because it is handy. So let's see what we have here. So we have our drills. Oh my goodness. Look at these special drills. Okay, is there a toolkit? There is a toolkit. So here is our diamondkissXO toolkit. If you want to scan this QR code, you can go ahead. I believe it probably takes you to the diamondkissXO website. But we'll take a really quick look at this toolkit because I know y'all are here for the diamond painting. Oh, I tried to take it out nicely, but it didn't work. So we have our diamond painting pen. We have a multi-placer. And then we have another multi-placer. We have this really pretty silver washi tape. That's cute. We have some wax. We have a tray. Squishy. There's actually 3 multi-placers in here, which is handy. We also have some plain silver tweezers. And then we also it also comes with a cover minder. This is really pretty. It's like a little sunflower. Is it a sunflower? Is it a lily? What is this? Comment down below. Let me know what flower this is. Okay, so that is our toolkit. She was very specific how I show this in her email to me. So she said, your mystery kit is the theme being 1990s. So it's going to be a nostalgic 1990s. I've spotted random colors on the canvas to distract you from the image. And then if I could only show a small section of the canvas so I don't ruin it for other people's, I'm not going to do that. I will do that. I mean, I'm not going to ruin it for you. And the canvas is 60% special drills. That's crazy to me. 60% special drills. So let me open this up. Oh, there's more. Okay, wait. Before we get to the canvas, I'm so sorry. So it also comes with this label sheet. These labels are pre-cut, so you can put these on your containers. And then this also pops out. You can put this in your logbook. I think that's what it's meant for. So there's 29 colors, 2 ABs, 3 dust diamonds, 1 jelly glitter, 3 metallic, and 1 silver. That's crazy. Look at all these special drills. Here's the schematics. You can get a feel for like the color or the vibe, the theme of it. And again, this is going to be a mystery painting, so I'm not going to show you the entire thing, and it is a 1990s nostalgia. Okay, and then we also have a thank you, legally licensed, hand-rendered, hand-packaged. And then here is, again, you can scan that QR code, and then there is their website. So if you want to check out the website, I will have the link in the description box below. So I'm going to blur out this canvas when I'm editing it, so you're not going to be able to see the whole thing, but I wanted to show you an overall look to how the diamondkissXO canvas looks like. So at the top left, we have information about the art, but it is a mystery kit. Then that would be the thumbnail, mystery kit again, so it's just a question mark. Then we have the schematic, and then there's a 10% off code, which I'll show you shortly. And then over here at the top right, we have information on how to find Diamond Kiss XO. And then at the very bottom, and this is very interesting, this schematic is actually flipped versus that one. So either whichever way you rotate or however you diamond paint, you're going to have a schematic that is facing you and you can read it really easily. And then we also have a 10% off code. So if you want to use code KISS10 to receive 10% off your next order, or you can actually also use the code bevbe15, and this will allow you guys to get 15% off your entire purchase. It's a one-time use code, and the code expires on December 31st, 2024. So if you do decide to get this canvas, you can go ahead and use bevbe15. I personally won't receive anything, but it will tell Diamond Kiss or Jenny at diamondkissXO that, hey, I saw BevBee's video. It was helpful to me. I decided to buy it because of it. So whatever you guys do decide to use. I'm going to show you this portion of the canvas. I'm not going to show the rest of it up close because I want it to be a secret, but I will let you know that when I did unveil it, like when I did lay out the canvas, I could already tell what the image is. So it's not necessarily a surprise to me or a mystery, because once you see the entire canvas, you're like, oh, I know what this is. But it'll be really interesting because, as you can see, the canvas has different colors, like see this green, see this pink, see this blue. It's splattered. Random colors are splattered throughout the canvas, and it will be really, really interesting to me because the grid area is black and white. It'll be interesting to me to see the colors and this image come to life. And again, this is a mystery diamond painting. Okay, I already have cat hair on it. I'm so disgusting. I'm so sorry. But this is a mystery diamond painting. It's 90s theme, so it's going to be nostalgic. So it'll be cool to see this graphic or this image come to life. The symbols are very clear. Like, me looking at the rest of the canvas, I don't see any issues. Like, I don't see anything that is unclear or whatever. Like, the symbols are very, very easy to read, as you can see from the schematic itself. And unfortunately, like, I wish that I could show you a scan of the canvas, so I can show you a little bit more. Yeah, so you can see it's very, very easy to see. Regardless, like, the background is white, the symbols are easy to see, and even areas where this color is splattered on, it's very easy to see as well. So let's take a look at these special drills. Wow, okay, so there's going to be a lot of this color, and this is like that dust drill. That is a whole lot. And something to mention is, can I show you? Okay, something to mention is each drill bag has a static cling, a little square rectangle of anti-static cling sheets, because the owner of Diamond Kiss XO is actually a diamond painter, and she, like, I guess everyone who diamond paints, because I can't stand it. I don't know anyone who's like excited to get static in their sheets, but she puts static in each bag of drills. See, so you can see it in this one. This one has one, I don't know where it is, but it's in there, I swear. And so no more static in your drills because there's a static cling sheet in there. Like, isn't that just like genius? Anyway, so this is another special drill. Let's take a look at all the special drills. This color's so pretty. That's gorgeous. Okay, and then again, this is a square diamond painting, so all the colors are going to be square. That's the metallic, so nice. These are gorgeous. Okay, these are all normal. That's really pretty. And then I think here's more. And even just opening this drill bag, I can smell the static cling sheets, and it smells so good. It smells like fresh laundry. Bonus, if you order from Diamond Kiss XO, your drills will smell really good. Okay, oh, what are these? Look at these guys. They're like rectangles. These are really nice. I've never done, I don't think I have a diamond painting kit where it's been like different shapes, like just like a normal diamond painting kit. Yes, there's special drill diamond paintings, but I've never done just like a normal diamond painting that comes with like different shapes. That's so nice. Okay, and then you also get this sheet as well. So this is just an information sheet about the drills, and I'm guessing that these are all the special drills. So this was my unboxing of the mystery diamond painting from Diamond Kiss XO. I will have all the links in the description box below, and I will have those discount codes as well. Again, I think it's so cool. Each sheet has a dryer sheet in it, so it's anti-static. You can use the 10% code or the 15% off code. And the next drop from diamondkissXO is going to be personalized name diamond painting, where you get to choose between 100% AB drills, 100% dust drills, or 100% crystals. That's so exciting, actually. Like, I would love a diamond painting with my name, Bev B, across it. But thank you so much for watching. What do you guys think of this? I know you didn't get to see a whole lot of the canvas, but I can tell you, like, this thing is clear. I will probably be working on this next, and I'll come back and do a, I guess, post review / reveal. But thank you so much to Jenny for sending this out to me. I'm really excited. This image is just perfect for my bedroom, I think. And go check them out. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Let me know in the comments down below if you like doing mystery kits in general. Have you ordered from diamondkissXO? What are your thoughts? Let me know. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!